Oh.
Push it, push it. Ah.
All right. Oh. Alright folks, welcome to another awesome episode of Oregon Motorcycle. Today we are at Dee Flats. We finally made it up to Dee Flats. Man, we tried to go into the backside and it's all iced over. That was crazy adventure. So the front side's open now. So the front entrance to Dee Flat is officially open. I think it just opened kind of recently, but I got some new faces out here today on an Africa Twin, which is awesome, and a BMW GS310. So today again, a new year, 2022, we have a BMW 310 GS, a KTM 390 adventure bike, and we have two Honda CB500Xs. Look at this. Woo! And look at the Africa Twin. So we also got a KTM 500 EXE, I think it is, or something. EXE, whatever. So yeah, we're just gonna cruise around, hit some trails. It's Amy's first official time off-road, so we're just kind of putting around. She has the stock tires on the Honda CB500X, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's going to be off-roading, and if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a new post. And if you guys are local in the area, you guys can watch my community post and come out and come ride with me. So yeah, maybe it's not fuel injected if he's getting on the carb.
I might have to take the hip guard. Or the hip, what do you call it?
Oh yeah, those pads on the side, those kind of annoy me sometimes too. Nice. And just remember, you don't really want to use your front brake when we're off-roading. Okay. Just kind of try to mash on your back brake and you'll slide around a little bit, you know. Alright folks, so yeah, a little fun fact here. We're in Clackamas County, you know, out of Estacada, and Clackamas County has the most Sasquatch reports out of all the counties in Oregon. So I've told you guys before when I'm up here, you know, we're up here in Sasquatch territory. So I'm kind of focused on the road, but if you guys at home are watching, you guys could look in the forest, and as the video is playing, you know, and maybe you might see something out of the forest. I don't know, you know, I don't know. So but just remember, we are today, this video, we will be in a Sasquatch hot zone, if you want to call it. So yeah, just a little fun fact. Oh, you got to watch those potholes. Those potholes come out of nowhere. They're crazy. Some of them are the size of jacuzzis. I'm serious.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Is this a family channel?
You know, another thing you can practice today is kind of standing on your pegs a little bit. You don't have to just stand up all of a sudden, but, well, like, okay, you're doing it. There you go.
You mean like this?
Yeah. And then, you know, you're kind of using your legs as suspension, your knees, right? So you're supplementing your suspension. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Kind of like if you were riding a jet ski and you're going over waves, you know, like, oh, kind of the same thing. So don't worry about keeping up with them. I don't think they'll lose us. You're doing good though. You're doing good. Do you feel any difference on the tires at all?
Yeah, they feel spongy.
Yeah, they feel a little smushier, so it should be a little smoother. It won't rattle your hands as much, and you'll get a little more contact patch, so you have a little more traction, which could help you if it gets a little muddy sometimes. But yeah, folks, so we're running, I put 20 up front, 22 in the back for her on those stock tires. I went ahead and kept my tire pressure the same, because whatever, we're not getting crazy today. We're just out here, like I said, some light off-roading, playing around. I'm sure I'll do some burnouts and stuff.
I feel like I'm gonna dent my rim.
Yeah, it feels that way, but
I'm going in.
Oh, you're going in for the water crossing. Nice. Getting it muddy already, huh? The other thing I wanted to talk to you about today too is counter leaning. Like I like to do that. It's the opposite of leaning into the turns. You you actually just lean the bike, but you keep your body straight, and then you can put your weight on the outside peg, and that keeps the center of gravity more over the center of gravity of the bike, or it keeps the center of gravity of the whole package over the tires, so you get more traction in loose traction conditions.
Okay.
So like, let me get ahead of you real quick, and I'll show you like on this next curve. I'm just going to exaggerate it for you so you kind of know what I'm talking about. So we're going to counter lean it this way, right? So I'm leaning like this, but the bike's leaning, I'm staying straight, and the bike leans. See that?
Yeah.
And then I have my weight on this outside peg right here. This peg, that's where the weight goes. Okay, so I'm keeping the weight over the center of the bike, so it keeps more traction on the tires.
Oh,
So that's something to play around too. Just lean the bike, but keep your body straight. Counter leaning. It's good to do with slow speed maneuvers on the street, and it's good to do when you're riding off road. And you'll see the dirt bike riders and the pro riders, they do it. They counter lean, you know. So you can go ahead and get ahead of me. Are you not going on that? I don't think it's that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Is it good? Okay.
I don't know about the next one.
Okay. This is a little snowy. This isn't that bad. It's not that bad. It's a little snowy, but just keep your feet out like I got my feet out. See? It's not bad at all. You can keep going. Nice and easy. Oh, that's the, yeah, that's a good trail right there. That's a really good trail.
Oh, I think I watched a video of you guys on that trail.
Huh?
I watched a video of you guys on that trail, I think.
Maybe. Larry out having fun? Nice. Ah, this is awesome. I like this kind of trail riding. Yeah, as far as we can go. Yeah, this is fun. Dude, we've been through way more snow than this.
What's that?
Go ahead if you want to go through. Maybe. Oh no, she's stuck. She's got it, she'll get it. I don't know if I can put my kickstand down. Okay, as long as my bike doesn't fall, I'm good. Oh, she's got it. Sweet. All right, you go. So maybe I don't have to push you too. Just keep your feet out. You'll be good. Oh. Ready? Put your kickstand down. Maybe, I don't know if it'll help or not, but are you gonna walk it? Oh, turn the key off. Turn it back on. Okay. Here, hold on. Just kill it. Okay, hold on. Let me get it.
Push you?
A little bit, yeah, if you can. Ride my bike back up. Oh, these tires are way slick in this.
Yeah.
If you want to ride my bike, you can. It's got more traction. Sweet. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, folks, we stopped for a minute, take a rest, collect our thoughts. We're going to try to go a little further for far as we can, but just so you guys know, the stock tires on the CB500X, they're not the best or ideal for snow conditions. I will say that the Dunlop Trail Max missions are superior in the snow when it comes to the CB500X, if you want to put the two tires back to back. So yeah, I couldn't believe how much that thing was sliding around in the snow. Amy's kicking butt today, just showing us how it's done on a stock CB500X, so it's awesome. All right, let's get it done. All right. Dang it. Hold on. I'll get you. Hold on. Here, get the front, I'll get the back. Alright. No. I don't know how it's gonna... Hold on a second here. Huh? Let me see. This might be a little predicament to get out. Alright, just ride my bike for a minute.
You sure?
Yeah, ride it up here, and we'll see. They're probably going to be turning around pretty quick anyways. Okay. This bike doesn't have anything for traction on the snow, so... In fact, they might be coming back down right now. I'm going to go talk to Kevin and see.
Okay.
Oh, they're turning around. They're coming to get us, so maybe it's loosening up here, so. You doing okay?
Yep.
You can go ahead and get in front of me. You'll have better traction on that bike there. As long as you can shift it okay and stop. Nice and easy. First gear. Oh, this is
bad.
Nice and easy. You got it. You put your foot down. Put your feet out for you. There you go. Nice. See, you know what you're doing. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, there's no snow here. She laid it down again.
How you doing?
Good. We switched bikes.
Dude, this thing is sliding all over the place with these tires. It's out of control, so... No, we're good. We'll keep going as long as...
Yeah.
She might have a couple more falls in her and that'll probably be it, but... It's such a good experience for you though, you know.
Are you shifting okay on that bike with your boots and my goofy shift
It's a little
lever?
off, but I'm not worried about it. I think the position of the levers are bugging me more than the position of the foot levers, but it's not. It's nothing. We're having fun sliding around on your bike back here.
It is, right?
Pitching it over sideways. It feels good with the pressure drop, don't get me wrong, but it loses all credibility when you get on the snow.
Yeah.
And it's pretty much the same thing with the mud with these tires. Just nice and easy, kind of feather your clutch through there, you know.
Should I go through the big puddle or should I follow Lottie?
I would follow the line that everybody else is taking. I mean, unless you totally feel something comfortable. I would just keep your feet down, feather that clutch. Nice, nice. Nice. Good line. Look at you. Oh.
Shit, sorry.
I barely gave it some gas and lost it back in.
You okay back there?
Oh yeah. Just got to remember the tires that I'm on.
One thing that I'm thinking about is like depending on when the sun starts to go down, the temperature starts to drop, and this is all going to refreeze and get worse.
Well,
So
I think most of it's still frozen that we're riding on.
Sorry.
You're good. You're good. Just look where you want to go. You got it. You got it. Nice. Very good. I'll let you make the call if you want to go or continue. Whatever you want.
Well, I don't know. I'd like to turn around.
I think she's getting a little tired.
Yeah, I think it's time for me to turn around.
Yeah, let's take a break and chill out for a little bit. I got your seat dirty, dang it.
Oh, it's okay. The whole rest of the bike is dirty too.
You're doing great.
Oh, sure,
See, it's a decent workout, isn't it? Like you're getting sweaty and stuff, right? Mm-hmm. See? Back brake. A little bit. There you go. Very good. Nice. You charged things pretty aggressively. Makes me nervous. Motorcycle, baby. 2022, yeah. It goes through, but you're not getting through today.
So did you just go up as far as you go, turn around, come back? Is that what you've done? Yeah. Okay, just curious.
Yeah. It was fun.
Yeah.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty much on the same thing you guys are on. So.
We went down a couple times.
You did good though. Good for you.
All right, guys.
Okay, right.
Nice bike.
Yeah, thanks. Generate 700, yeah.
Yeah.
Yamaha gave it to me.
Literally, huh?
Yeah, it's a project bike for magazine.
Well, who are you with?
UltimateMotorcycling.com.
Oh yeah.
And I actually just bought it because they came out with the 22s, and so they asked me if I wanted to keep it, but they gave it to me to do a project on it. So I've added all kinds of shit to it and write reviews on it. I love it. It's a great bike.
I've heard good things about them.
Oh, it's a really fun bike.
Yeah.
You
got an electric bike out here too?
Yeah, it's a through run, yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's nice, you want to go. We're friendly, go ahead. Yeah.
It doesn't have it's like a little down on power at the moment through the battery, but you're welcome to rip it up around a corner and back if you want.
Yeah, can I? Please.
I think it's on sport, right? Make sure it's on sport.
That's on sport.
Rear brake, no touch. Oh yeah, they're both brakes. One's the front brake's normal, and then the rear brake is where the
As
clutch
you start to roll it on, then you get you'll get used to it right away. His ERZ, and he took the silver on. We all stepped down. He stepped up to the top, and we all stepped. And then we all made it out front.
So we went about a mile up there.
You having fun yet?
Oh, this is too much. Oh my gosh. How much does this thing weigh?
100 pounds. Yeah. You can hop them up too, like, and get like more range and like 3 times the power pretty easy. They'll be like 70.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
What's the speed on this one?
48.
Wow.
With a topped off battery. It's probably like 45 or something.
Yeah.
This one just goes and wiggles through the trees. This one drops down and has a bunch of whoops and stuff in it.
Does this one loop around to that other one?
They both
They
touch.
both meet? Whatever's easiest.
Yeah. That one's shorter. This one's funner.
You're good. Just stay there. See how easy it is? Go then. Yeah, I know.
This is familiar.
Yeah. Hold on.
You want some help?
Oh, yeah, that's a big spot.
Yeah, that's a big hill.
Yeah.
How's he doing?
He's good.
Yeah. And this is not easy on a big bike.
What?
This is not easy on a big bike.
Yeah, no, it's not.
On the trail, folks. We're turning around. I put a new GoPro battery in my GoPro because this is just too gnarly. This is crazy. Amy is just tearing it up out here today, you guys. Like, she's like a talent, is like a natural at riding motorcycles, I think. So we're gonna turn around here and head back out, and I'll have some better GoPro footage. Hold on, guys. I gotta switch my gloves. These are like sweaty. I can't even get them on. I guess I'm gonna just do the same thing that Kevin did, or is gonna do. I'll just ride past you. Are you gonna be able to scooch forward a little bit? You're good.
Oh, I killed it.
You're good. I might be able to. There you go. Whew, man. Folks, back out here on the trail. We turned around and yeah, back out here on the CB500X's, KTM390 Adventure, BMW 310 GS. Yeah, baby. Woo! Sending it. Get a little technical here. I thought we were just going out to the road. Whatever the easiest way is. I think people are getting tired. All right.
Push it. Ah. It landed on a rock.
You okay? Just chill.
I'm fine.
Chill, take a rest.
She
Take a
landed on a rock.
rest. Take a rest. Take a rest. Take a rest. Take a rest.
She fell on a rock.
Yeah, it's okay. It happens. Ready?
Thanks. Thank you.
Yeah, she's good. Hey, this shit. You're fucking awesome. Okay, don't ever let anybody else tell you different.
Thank you.
Let's get the f out of here. I'm getting tired too.
You getting tired of picking up my motorcycle?
Whew.
Oh my gosh.
right, folks. We're gonna sign out here. This has been an awesome day. The CB500X fared well. Amy was just out of control, just mobbing this thing everywhere. She did lay it over a couple times, and we think that the handlebar is broken. It looks like it's a little bit lower on one side than the other, and when we turn it all the way one way, you can see how it has already hit the fairing, and it wants to hit the fairing before it hits the lock on this side. It's still way above, so we think the handlebars are bent and the mirror's busted, but that stuff's all easily fixed, and it just goes to show that these CB500Xs are awesome, and they take a licking and keep on ticking. They're like the Timex watch. Just totally love these bikes. So hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys are still hanging out with me, make sure and hit that subscribe button, because obviously you like my content and you want more of it, and I'll give you more. Gonna be doing a lot of off-roading adventures and all that good stuff. So yeah, Dee Flats 2022, baby. I'm tired. Off-roading's always a little tiring, but you know.
Good times had by all.
You good?